Amukira ngeithi mwiroreri wa Kameme TV haria hothe uranyamukirori miaraho ya umuthi ni mahinda mangi mega turanyitanira nawe thiini wa mohoro maitu gitau mohoro mathaa mugwanja tumenya ni mareko marathie na mbere magikunukaga ituri itiganite cia bururi ni gikeno kinene muno gukorwo nginyitanira nawe njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani na tukiambiriria miaraho ya umuthi tukorwo tukirora riboti iria turi nayo kwa ihinda riri mwane ciirigithagia turi kimenyaga no ire turwo na nikio tukiri ha niguo gutigirira ni twagitura turambiriria na mheshimiwa Rigathi wa Gachagua ndumiriri yake kana rugano rumwegie na ni ati mubunge wa Mathina Eric wa Mobi riu ni oritie mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua kunyihanyihia irumi na njino hindi ya micemanio yake ya giuteti akiuga irumi itire na uguni o wothe hari uthii wa nambere wa gitaru kia Mount Kenya. Akiaria gicigo-ini giake kia ubunge kia Mathira wa Mobi ugite hari na bata Gachagua ataukwo ati uthii wa nambere ndungionekana kuhitukira irumi akiuga undu uria wa bata ni kunyitanira na atongoria aria angi niguo gukinyaniria tabarira ngurani cia uthii wa nambere na iria iguhotithia guteithiriria muingi wa gitaru kia Mount Kenya kuria Gachagua anyitagwo mbaru na njira nene.
To each other. If I bring the President William Ruto, he must be given total respect, just as we are giving other leaders respect. And so that's why I've said in this constituency and this county, there will be no stone throwing. Everybody is allowed to come in this county and sell their manifesto. So everyone is welcome. The leader, the DCP leader is welcome to bring Kalonzo Musyoka to say what they have done, what they intend to do. When I bring President William Ruto, I should be respected because that is my political stand, and I have not done anything wrong to start with President William Ruto. The only thing I will ask the DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua is to tone down the insults because they are too much, and insults do not get any votes. Tone down the insults, stop calling people Wamafosho, because the only two women who give beans in this country are two, my wife and his wife, Pastor Dorcas. And so when he insults these women, you know, it's bad, because me and him, we have eaten these beans. Every morning we wake up and find those boiled beans we eat. So the DCP leader, please stop insulting my wife and your wife, because we have seen them give beans. And Pastor Dorcas is a woman of grace, is a reverend. So when you call her Wamafosho, you know, it doesn't look good. So leave the women alone. Let's do politics as men, politics of development, because that is a competition I am calling you to do. I want us to compete in development, in helping our people, because these people want their roads done, they want their water projects done, they want electricity, they want so many things. So insult will not sort out their issues. But if we can work and deliver to the people who elected us, then we are going to sort out the challenges that they are facing.
Na tukihugukira riboti ingini ati makiria marita ngiri 5 cia njohi ngananie ni hithukitio mwena wa Emali mwaka-ini wa kaunti cia Makueni na Kajiado kurumirira mungururi uria natafanio ni maabitha a ruhonge rwa kuhurana na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia undu umwe na njoi cia ibango na kada unyitaniri-ini na maabitha a borithi na wathani wa matura. Na hindi ya birigiceni ino maabitha aya ni marahithukire itura rimwe riria riri hugururu-ini cia tauni ya Emali na kuria maraikirie ngono mundu uria ukoretwo agithondeka njohi ino iria kurikanite ta bisondo. Maabitha na kada ni meranire guthie na mbere na birigiceni ino guothe bururi-ini niguo gutigirira urugi na wendia wa njohi thumu ni wahuka kaimana.
At 8 p.m. as a multi-agency team from the Makueni County Liquor, the National Police Service, led by also the NACADA, we managed to arrive at one illicit den, namely Kitindo Bar. This bar is operating without license, and secondly, is an illicit den where a known substance mixed with yeast has been found, and we managed to destroy 5,000 liters. Tulimwaga 5,000 liters. We also had several liters already packed in empty bottles, which were believed to be used for the soda packages, and they are here with us. And also we managed to confiscate after a very tough and thorough search within these houses. We received or we recovered Everest counterfeited spirits. Those are the portable spirits here with us in the curtains. And we managed to arrest the seller and believed to be the manufacturer here with us to be processed in court. And we want to tell the public, or to urge the public, this is an issue which has been already discussed at the national level, that illicit and counterfeiting of spirits or alcohol, using mostly the ethanol, and illicit brews countrywide, the national crackdown has commenced.
Tukihugukira riboti ĩngĩ nĩ atĩ mũmbunge wa Mavoko Patrick Makau nĩ arutĩte mũkana kũrĩ atongoria a ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya mũng'ethanĩro, akiuga no nginyagia makanyita mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka mbaru kũhũranĩra ũtongoria wa president kana ũtongoria wa bũrũri hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte. Kũngĩaga ũguo, Makau akauga ũguo agakorwo arĩ kũnengereria mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto mweke wa gũcagũrwo itĩna rĩa kerĩ, kuona Kalonzo nowe ũngĩhota kũmweheria wathani-inĩ. Makau ahinyĩrĩirie kuga atĩ Kalonzo nĩwe ũrĩ na ũhoti mũnene wa gũkahagũra president William Ruto kuma gĩturwa-inĩ gĩake, gũkũ akĩũria kĩama kĩa Wiper gĩkarũgamia hũranĩri a iturwa cia ũmbunge guothe bũrũri-inĩ nĩguo gĩgakorwo na hinya wona kĩomba thirikari.
Tunaomba wabunge na hatuogopi tukisema hivyo, sawa? Hatuogopi tukisema hivyo. We are going to fight there. We are going to support the united opposition. Na mimi naambia wao vinara wa united opposition, we have no jokes. It is only Kalonzo Musyoka who has tested, tried, and the only truthful and very honest, clean man. Kwa hivyo tukimpatia sasa washindane na Ruto 2027, we will be hopeful. Lakini tukishikwa na tamaa tuanze kusema we will be divided na mutakanyagwa kama kitu kingine. Tumesema chama ya Wiper tutasimamisha wajumbe Nairobi, Mombasa, kila mahali. Nairobi Wiper itakuwa na governor. Nairobi Wiper itakuwa na senator, ma MCAs na MPs na kila mahali Kenya. Tumesema tuko nyuma ya Kalonzo Musyoka na tutamsupport mpaka mwisho. Hata wakitoa hizo polls, naona wametoa, lakini we know those polls shambolic. We cannot allow that. And tunajua ni kitu ya kuweka Kalonzo chini. Bwana Kalonzo, nakuambia tafadhali, we are behind you.
Tukiuma kĩama-inĩ kĩa Wiper tuingĩre kĩama-inĩ kĩa ODM, na nĩ atĩ mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Oburu Oginga nĩ agwetete mwaka ũyũ wa 2026 ta mwaka ũrĩa kĩama kĩa ODM gĩgũtabania mĩario na ciama ngũrani cia gĩũteti nĩguo gũkũrana no gĩkanyitanĩra nake hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte. Oburu ũrĩa warĩtie hĩndĩ igongona rĩa mathiko ma mamawe mwena wa Alego Usoga, augĩte ihinda rĩa ODM kũingĩra thirikari-inĩ kĩhũthĩra mũrango wa thutha nĩ rĩthiru na no nginya meyarĩre wega mbere ya gĩthurano gĩũkĩte nĩguo magakorwo thirikari-inĩ o kume Kiambu Gĩtina.
So we got into this government by accident because the government was shaken by GNC, and we got into this government through the back door, through the window. But now I'm telling you, you people, that as we approach 2027, we are not going to get into a government through the back door. We are going to get in through the front door, through a negotiated arrangement. And this negotiated arrangement will be headed by me. And I'm telling you that it is not going to be a very easy negotiation. It is going to be a tough negotiation, and we are going to get what our share should be. And this share of ours depends on you people. It depends on your unity. It depends on your membership of the party. I'm asking you people, don't join ODM. Don't just be a supporter. Be a member of the party and strengthen the party. If the party is strong, we are also strong. And we shall also negotiate hard because we are strong. If the party is weak, we are also weak. And we are going to negotiate from a point of weakness. I must tell you, my people, that I announced at the beginning of this year. And this is clear. We don't want to go this way, that way. We have said clearly that this year, 2026 is the year of negotiations for any arrangement. Either we are going in partnership with the UDA or any other, or we are going alone as ODM. And if we are going alone as ODM, Oburu Oginga is the presidential candidate.
Na tukiogokera riboti ya kiehani ati Caroline Njeri mutumia uria wakorirwo ragitwo na njira ya unyamuwe gwake mucii itura-ini ria Maraigushu Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ni ahurukitio kwa mucii itura-ini ria Tumaini kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua. Andu a family yake hamwe na atongoria kuma Nyandarua aria marekinyitie kuumiriria family ino matongoretio ni uria wari minister wa Mai Cecily Kariuki ni makomithitie njuragano iyo kuria mathingatite honge cia ugitiri gwika uthuthuria na ihenya uria kwahoteka na aria mekunyitikana matabanirie ngero ino mahingũrirwo thitango.
Itura-ini ria Tumaini Nyandarua ni kuo mwira wa Caroline Njeri urukitio andu a family yake hamwe na atongoria aria marekinyitie mathiko-ini maya matongoretio ni uria wari minister wa Mai Cecily Kariuki magithingata honge cia ugitiri kurekereria utuiria niguo mutumia uyu one kihoto giake
ati guoko gwa thirikari gutigatuikage kuraihu o kuri andu aria aibo utuike kuraihu kuri andu othe aria mena hinya na aria matari koguo uria tungihoya ithuĩ ta family na ta ithe wa Njeri ingihoya tu metikire gututeithia ihinda riri ritu twinari.
Muthuri wa Njeri uria ukurikanire Toni ni mwe wa ekwirwa nene na uria urathuthurio ni maabitha borithi kuona kuma ngero ene hanike muthi wa Jumamothi ya kiumia githiru ndarioneka mucii ringi undu uria ucungiririe family ya Njeri guikara na guoya munene.
Turamenya ni marathi na mbere na uchunguzi wao metikire kuharakisha nigetha justice ya mwana wakwa yonekane. Ni turaigua twina ruo runene muno tondu ndari na thiri wa mundu akuite undu wikiriga. Koguo ithuĩ turahoya o thirikari tu itikire gutuharakishira investigation na mundu ucio anyitwo tondu mena hinya otoguo kurerwo kana wacirie witũ aroiga ati thirikari guoko kwayo ni kuraihu.
Tige kugia kawaida tondu ni ararutirwo muoyo na njira ya kuragwo ni mundu wendete mundu uria obati gukorwo ni aramuhe ugitiri muthuri wake na ithe wa ciana ciake inya noguo ni atiga ciana inya family nini na ni uhoro wina magigi muno.
Hindi ya mathiko maya atongoria kanitha o hamwe na kiuteti matarite andu a family kuhimbiria miario riria ngurani cia kimicii cieyumiria kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire gukimurikwo gatagati-ini ka itũmi iria iracũngĩrĩria kuongerereka kwa ngũĩ cia kimucii.
Ni tuthie na mbere kwimenyeria o kwaragia twona kanya onakorwo ni mathiko-ini tugaikia advice atongoria makiaria tukauga mbeũ njithi mwahikania geriai mugathikanagiriria geriai haria honeka mahitia manini mutigeterere makure ikarai thi muiguithanie na mungiremwo biũ ri ugatiriri Njeri ri ari muci umite ari aciari mamurerete mungitania biũ ri uga we tita wendendaga Njeri nuka na Njeri ni gucoka kuria aciari yake mugima.
Hadi Nyakaweme TV tũrakoni bataro wa Mwangi.
Na tukihugukira riboti ingine ati makiria marutwo 1,000 ni magunĩkĩte na scholarships cia gĩthomo kuma kũrĩ bengi ya KCB nĩguo mahote kũingĩra thukuru-inĩ cia senior school kiumia gĩũkĩte. Arũgamĩrĩri a bengi ĩno maugĩte maigĩte keheri-inĩ mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 600 gũteithĩrĩria arutwo aya kũrĩkia mathomo mao ma secondary nginyagia ma university. Kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩkũhũthĩka kũrĩhĩra arutwo aya bithi, uniform na ũndũ ũmwe na gũkũria taranda ciao o ũndũ ũmwe na mahũthĩro mangĩ mao rĩrĩa marĩ thukuru-inĩ.
And I'm also very happy to welcome you to the flag off ceremony for the 2026 class of the KCB Scholars. Today, it's more than just a send-off. It is also a very powerful testimony to what is possible when opportunity meets potential and when institutions commit to transforming lives through education. So this year, we celebrate the admission over 1,000 scholars who today are getting admitted into the 2026 cohort, with 77 of you special students joining us today at the Current Leadership Center. And since the inception of the program, close to 6,000 students have benefited from this program. And each and every one of you represents resilience, ambition. Notably, 10% of our slots this year, as well as also for previous years, have been reserved for students who are facing special circumstances, like children with disability, as the video showed, as well as also students who are affected by harmful cultural practices.
It is a privilege and it is a pleasure to be here with you as we officially flag off the 2026 cohort of KCB Scholars. The KCB Group sustainability and ESG priorities are an integral part of the bank's purpose, which is for people, for better. And the KCB Foundation is one of the arms through which we deliver on our 14 SDGs and the priorities that we have put at the center of our business. And these priorities are intended to uplift the communities across East Africa where we operate.
First of all, I will thank KCB for giving me the scholarship. And I was in a really faced challenge. I had been in a lot in my family. But the way you have supported me, I have really been proud.
I'm really happy to be a beneficiary of KCB Foundation. All of that wasn't easy. It was by my hard working, by training, and then the trials in Trans Nzoia County wasn't easy. I had to wake up every morning, early in the morning, to train at least a little bit to gain that confidence, because that was my 10th race that I won.
Na rĩu tũrore maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE. Gĩkĩ nĩ kĩgeranio kĩa form 4 na nĩ atĩ arutwo, aciari na arutani a thukuru ngũrani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ no mathiĩte na mbere na gũkũngũĩra maumĩrĩra mega ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE marĩa maranĩrĩirwo mũthenya wa ira. Mwandĩki witũ Ngina wa Wandurwa nĩ aramũrĩka imwe cia thukuru iria ciandĩkithĩtie maumĩrĩra mega na ũrĩa maumĩrĩra maya mathiĩte na mbere na gũkũngũĩrwo kũndũ gũtiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Mũthenya ũmwe thutha wa maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kwanĩrĩrwo, arutwo, aciari, arutani ona anyiti itemi angĩ no mathiĩte na mbere gũkũngũĩra maumĩrĩra mega ma kĩgeranio gĩkĩ. Thukuru wa anake wa Murang'a High nĩ kũmwe gwa kũrĩa arutwo mekĩte wega, maumĩrĩra maya magĩcanjamũra arutwo ona arutani na njĩra nene.
We had a mean score of 10.163. This is an improvement. This is an improvement by 0.443 because last year we had scored 9.720.
Gemi otaishi ikiugwo thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu wa Mũgũiri kũrĩa arutwo marandĩkithĩtie maumĩrĩra mega.
Wanafunzi 13 samahani waliweza kupata alama ya A. Vile vile kuna wanafunzi 88 waliweza kupata alama ya A hasi A-.
So the girls were very disciplined. They worked very hard. Their parents came in. We worked together with the parents, and there was a lot of motivation, and the girls remained focused to the very end.
Itũra-inĩ rĩa Mayanja, Kibuke, mwena wa Bumula, arata, andũ a nyũmba ona andũ a itũra baracokanĩrĩire gũkũngũĩra maumĩrĩra ma Emmanuel Sikuku, mũrutwo kuma thukuru wa anake wa Maranda ũrĩa ũregwatĩire grade ya A.
The Lord for have scored an A plane, and I'm not alone. We had 3 straight A's.
Tena nashukuru kijana yangu kwa kuweka bidii kwa kutupea sifa katika hii eneo letu la Bumula.
Kaunti-inĩ ya Embu, arutwo na arutani thukuru-inĩ wa Aquinas Igumori matinahithĩrĩra gĩkeno kĩao thutha wa thukuru ũyũ kwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra mega kĩgeranio-inĩ gĩkĩ. Thukuru ũyũ nĩ wa airĩtu na anake na nĩ wa kũinũkwo o mũthenya na ona ndũrĩ ngumu ĩyo nene, ĩndĩ rita rĩrĩ maũndũ nĩ macenjetie.
Niko hapo nauliza nimepata nini. Then ndipo nimepigwa na mwalimu nikaambiwa nikuje shule. Nikakuja nikapata nimepata A-, nikafurahi sana.
We have realized a mean score of 7.6083, which is an improvement from last year's mean score of 6.03.
Hamwe na thukuru ingĩ iria ciandĩkithĩtie maumĩrĩra mega nĩ thukuru wa anake wa Alliance, thukuru wa Kisumu Boys, thukuru wa airĩtu wa Mama Ngina mwena wa Mombatha hamwe na ingĩ.
We end A plane 69, A minus 136, B plus 153, B plane 117, B minus 49, C plus 13.
And I've managed to score an A in my KCSE, all thanks to Allah for giving me an opportunity to study in such a prestigious school, and of course for giving me my amazing mom, who is the epitome of all single mothers out there. I have really taken after her confidence, her resilience, and of course thanks to my...
Scored 79 points, an A minus in my KCSE. I'd like to thank God for the results I've got, and my parents as well as the teachers who guided me throughout the journey, and my friends throughout the 4 years, my primary school classmates as well. They've helped me throughout this journey.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
Na tukirora riboti ĩngĩ na tukendithĩria arutwo othe arĩa marekire wega mathiĩ na mbere na gũkinyanĩria maũndũ marĩa na iroto iria marĩ nacio mũtũrĩre-inĩ wa nahau kabere. Na tukirora riboti ĩngĩ nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo nĩ ĩrutĩte mũkana wa mathaa 14 kũrĩ aruti a wĩra rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ arĩa marĩ mũgomo-inĩ, rĩu thirikari ĩno ĩkiuga nĩ kũmoera makinya marũrũ. Matongoretio nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ya wandĩkani Joseph Komu, maabitha thirikari ĩno matarĩirie atĩ mũgomo ũyũ nĩ mũgarũ na watho na rĩu ũcũngĩrĩire mũingĩ wa kaunti ĩyo kũgirĩka na njĩra nene.
And you are protected.
request my deputy to come here.
Senators to sit in the assembly. And
we have handed over 2 or 4 nurses to the senior administration for deployment. We shall further hand over next week 20 clinical officers to support the services. We are grateful to the senior management of the hospital and also the health sector. However, as a county public service board, we are concerned with the less activity happening around. And we are giving notice that we shall be around, we'll be working around. All the clinical officers, all the nurses, and anyone on God's row is called upon to resume the services within the next 24 hours. And tomorrow we are here, and the other day, kindly don't blame the county government of Isiolo if you are not in your work of service. I also want to give notice that we are going to do a staff audit in the next 2 weeks, and I'm calling all the workers from the 10 wards to be in their respective workstations. We'll get them there and we'll make proper communication towards the same.
Leo tuko na furaha mwaka huu mpya kupata madaktari ambayo wameandikwa kazi na serikali yetu. Leo hii tuko na nurses zaidi ya 200 ambayo wamefika hapa kwetu hospitali, na tuko tayari kuwafanyia induction leo, na baada ya induction tutawatuma kwa sehemu zote mazahanati ambaye iko kati ya Isiolo County yote, ati waende watusaidie. Na hiyo ndo jambo muhimu sana ambaye gavana wetu ametufanyia. Na vile vile kuna madaktari clinical officers ambaye juzi walienda kwa mgomo, na tunawaomba wale madaktari ambaye wanapaswa kuwa kazini na kwa leo hii hawako kazini warudi kazini mara moja. Leo ni tarehe 9 Januari. Na saa 6 ikifika na daktari yote ambaye hayuko kazini aisabike kwamba huyo daktari hataki kazi, na sisi hatutakuwa na yeye. Tutatafuta wale ambao watafanya kazi.
Governor has given almost all the budget, 40% of the budget of this county, to health service. And that shows the commitment that he has for his people. And also he has encouraged us to give the best service, because without service, with the equipment, we will not go far.
Na mwirari mwende hau ni hoto gutirihira mohoro maitu maitha riri. Ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa nyitaniri waku handu-ini haria othe mateithiririe gukinyaniria mohoro maya. Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani, mwathiriri witu na njira ya ciiko uma wagaki wa Muthoni. Ugie na miaraho na miaraho miega, weekend yaku rigithie na mbere na kurungara o uria we ukwenda. Tinda thayo.
Meme TV, Muthegi wa Ruriri.